girls, it's Lauren Day and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the 2019 Pantone Colour of the Year Living Coral. I love this beautiful golden peach shade with a touch of pink, and so I decided to create this monochromatic makeup look inspired by Living Coral. Living Coral is the 2019 Colour of the Year, and everybody knows that I am obsessed with the Pantone colours. As a graphic designer, I love colour, and so I was super excited when Pantone released the new colour of the year, which is Living Coral. It is a beautiful golden coral shade. It's more of a peachy pink shade than a traditional orange, so it definitely has those nice pink undertones to it. It has a beautiful golden hue to it as well. So I created this pinky peachy inspired look. For today's look, I've used the BYS Peachy palette. This is a gorgeous 8 eyeshadow palette from BYS. This eyeshadow palette is $6.95 and it's a gorgeous palette. It's perfect to create a peachy living coral inspired makeup look. Today I used these two peach tones, absolutely beautiful, and they have some brighter coral shades here as well. This palette features 8 eyeshadows to create the perfect peachy makeup look. Another product featured in this makeup look is the Goodbye Butterfly Super Shock Shadow from Colourpop. I absolutely love this beautiful peachy tone. And for my lips, I'm using the new Colourpop Velvet Blur Luxe lipsticks, and this is in the shade Super Bloom. It's a beautiful hot pink coral shade, and it's absolutely perfect for this look. So girls, grab your makeup and let's get started. For this look, I'm wearing the W7 High Definition Foundation and the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer. Using the BYS Peachy palette, I'm starting with this medium pink shade on my Colourpop tapered blending brush, and I'm applying this as the transition in my crease. I'm using this colour to fill in the space between my mobile lid and my brow bone. Next, I'm applying Colourpop's Super Shock Shadow in the shade Goodbye Butterfly. This is a beautiful matte peach shade. Using the same brush, I'm applying this colour to my crease using circular motions. Using this coral shade from the Peachy palette, using the same brush, I'm applying this to my crease area in circular motions and then blending up towards the transition. This eyeshadow applied over the top of Goodbye Butterfly creates the perfect living coral shade of eyeshadow. I'm softening the edges for a more diffused look. Next, with the matte brown shade from the Peachy palette, I'm using a pencil brush to apply this eyeshadow as a brow powder. I love how versatile this palette is. It's one of my favourite palettes for 2019. With the Australis Metallix eyeshadow in Guns and Rose Petals, I'm applying this with my finger, just dabbing my finger into the pot, and then I'm applying this to my mobile lid. This metallic cream eyeshadow will form a tacky base for our shimmery eyelid. Next, using the Australis GRL Boss Palette, I'm taking this shimmery peach shade in the center of the palette, and with my fingertip, I'm just applying this over the top of the cream eyeshadow, just tapping the color over the top of the cream eyeshadow to form a really sparkly, shimmery eye. I love using this technique to intensify the metallic shade of any eyeshadow. Let's add some shimmer to the cheeks. Using the Flower Beauty highlighting palette, I'm taking this light pink shade and the brush that's included and applying this as my highlight to the top of my cheekbones. With a flat shading brush, I'm using the same color to highlight my brow bone. I love using this simple technique as a highlighter for my eyeshadow. Going back to my tapered blending brush, I'm just going to softly blend the edges. Using a very soft blush brush, I'm going back to the Goodbye Butterfly Super Shock Shadow, and I'm going to apply this as my cheek color. So just swirling the brush into the product and then applying to the cheeks. By applying the same eyeshadow as your blush, it gives a beautiful cohesive look. Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Twitter Painted is a beautiful rosy pink with gold glitter. I'm applying this to the tops of the cheekbones over my highlight. I love using this CoverGirl pressed powder to set my foundation using a large flat kabuki brush. And don't forget to blend your powder down your neck. I applied my black liquid eyeliner from BYS, then I finished my eye look with the Colour Theory Define Mascara in black. Next I applied the Colourpop Velvet Blur lipstick in the shade Super Bloom. This is a beautiful hot pink coral shade and it is perfect for this look. I love the new Velvet Blur lipsticks from Colourpop. They give a beautiful velvety soft finish to the lips. This formula gives your lips a blotted lipstick look, so it's very soft and diffused, and I love that you don't have to use a lip liner. This shade Super Bloom is the perfect living coral lipstick. To complete the look, I'm using the Flower Beauty Galaxy Glaze Holographic Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Angelic. It is a beautiful light golden tone, and this is going to add some shimmer, shine, and add a little bit of dimension to this look. This lip gloss is the final touch in my living coral inspired monochromatic makeup look. Let me know in the comments below what look you'd like to see next.
I hope you enjoyed my living coral inspired makeup look. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to recreate this look. I would love to see it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Before you go, check out these latest 2 makeup tutorials and I'll see you girls in my next video.